Hello and welcome guys back into a new course in this channel. Code Electric today will present a new course. It will present Python. Python is a great programming language. It has many applications from web design into artificial intelligence and machine learning. Python depends on many libraries, but today and in this course we will focus only on one library, which is the Turtle library. Turtle is a great, easy, funny, and amazing programming library. Using Turtle, we can tell the computer to draw different shapes and geometry. So guys, before we start coding using Turtle, we have to install the Python IDE. Using this IDE, we can write programs and run these programs on our computer. Also, before we start, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the videos, and share it with your friends. Thank you. Okay guys, will be our first code. I will explain this code line by line. So before that, we should go to Start, Python IDE, and Open. Then we will get File, a new file, and we will write our code in this file. So we can close this and start. So I will start by copy and paste this first part of the code, and I will explain it. Okay, the first line said, from Turtle, import Turtle. That means that I am telling the Python to bring to me a library called Turtle. I use this as a shortcut, so instead of writing every time Turtle, I can write only T. The third line, t.screen.background color yellow. I'm telling Python to change my background color into a yellow color. Also, I'm telling Python that the color that I will using while I'm drawing is green. So t.color means that change the color of the turtle into a green color. So first of all, I have to save it. So I'll go to File, Save, and I will save it in the desktop. So here should be a Python file, and I can name it as first. Okay, save. Then I will get this. So in order to run this program, we have to press the run here and run module or F5. So we will get a yellow background and a green arrow or a green turtle. So guys, if we want to change the shape of the arrow, we have to follow the following code. To change the arrow, we can change the arrow into different geometry or different shapes. We can change it into turtle, circle, arrow, square, rectangle, classic shape, which is the arrow shape, and the turtle again. Okay, I want to show you all these shapes. So I will use a library called time. Using this library, I can put a delay between every change. So t.change turtle, then the program will stop or wait for 1 second using time.sleep 1, then it will change into circle, then wait, and so on. So let's copy this and run it again here. And this is the result. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you in the next video.